I think first and foremost, we're management driven. We always will be. Management's an interesting one for us. You can have, a boring or poor performing company and put fabulous management in, and undoubtedly over a period of time they can make a company perform a lot better. Unfortunately, the reverse is true as well. You can have a wonderful company and you can have horrible management, and for some strange reason they just seem to be able to wreck it every time. So from our perspective, that's something that's incredibly important, and rightly or wrongly, if we don't like the management when we meet them, we don't get a good feel about them, or we do some checks on them and we understand a little bit about their history that we're uncomfortable with, we will walk away from an investment. Secondly, it's about finding a business where it's a real business. So you've got high quality people, you've got some long-standing people within the business, and equally you've got a dedicated bunch of people in the business that genuinely want to see the business exceed and excel over a period of time. I might talk specifically just to a listed one because it might be more helpful. People can look it up. There's a company called Mitchell Services. They're a drilling business. It's a relatively boring business. They drill holes in the ground and they look for coal for clients of theirs. Its namesake is a fellow by the name of Nathan Mitchell, who sold a business 6 or 8 years ago to AJ Lucas, and he sold right at the top and was very fortunate at the time. Undoubtedly, he got a little bit bored, as a lot of these guys tend to do, and he bought a business at the start of last year, from memory, another drilling business, and he's back at it again. And the management team that he's got around him is very, very strong. Again, just goes to show that these guys that are running businesses, when they're very passionate about what they do, they're prepared to put in the hours, and they're very happy and open to talk to investors about their strategies on how they return capital, how they allocate capital, and equally how they focus on growing the business. For us, that's probably the most important thing about how we look at a business. So that's probably one of the sort of more relevant examples for us, a real turnaround in the style of business.